Hi everyone, Lisa here for the Graphics Fairy. Thanks for joining us today. I have a really easy 5 to 10 minute project for you. I'm going to be making a small gratitude junk journal, and as soon as I saw this image on the graphicsfairy.com, I thought it would be perfect for the cover of a gratitude journal. And if you're not familiar, a gratitude journal is just a place to write daily the things that you are most thankful for. And since we're heading into Thanksgiving week here in the US, I thought this was a perfect project for this time of year, and especially this year. So let's get started. I'll show you everything you need to make one. All right, this project starts with some store-bought little notepads or journals. I got these, I don't know, at the dollar store or a discount store, I think, and they've just been laying in my desk drawer. So I'm going to use this as the base, which really speeds up the whole process. And then the next thing that you will need is the image. And I just printed it out on some copy paper and stuck it in some tea to tea dye it and cut it close to the border. A lot of you have mentioned that your printer ink will smear. So if that's the case, then I would just tea dye some paper, dry it flat under some heavy books, and then you can put it into your printer and print the image right onto the tea dyed paper. This image also comes on the blog with the reverse, and this would be really fun, I think, if you have some fabric transfer sheets. You can just print this on the fabric transfer sheet, and then you lay it down on some fabric and iron it. And because it's reversed, the image will come out the right way around. So it saves you some time being able to just download it right in reverse. And there are quite a few images on the blog that are already reversed for you. So you might want to check those out. So once you have the notepads and the image, the next thing you'll need is some paper to cover your journal with. And this one is from the premium membership site. I fell in love with this one. It has kind of a gray background, little flowers, and a little touch of red or orange on it. But there are lots of options to choose from, and I printed some out here. This is a really pretty orange with a little bit of navy. I thought that was really nice, especially for this time of year. I picked out kind of fall colors. And this is an Indian block print in orange. And here's just a very vibrant orange, yellow, and another kind of muddier orange. So you'll want to pick out a paper to use for the cover. And if you aren't a premium member, you can of course find things on the free blog to use. This is some really pretty French newsprint, and it happens to have my birthday on it. So I printed out one of these. The fun thing about this journal is you could make different covers and switch them out seasonally or whenever you want. So it's just so easy and fun that you can really do lots of things with it. So then once you have your paper to cover your journal in, you need a contrasting paper for a little mat for the Count Your Blessings image. So I looked at quite a few, and I finally decided on this one. This is from the premium membership site. If you go to images and then on the left click on book covers, this one comes up. So just cut a little square that will fit around your Count Your Blessings image with, you know, about a 1/4 inch border all the way around. All right, so once you have all of that ready, then you're ready to start assembling your cover. And for this, all I did was fold the paper in half and give it a nice crease, and then open it up, put your journal in the middle, and kind of get it lined up where you have an approximately equal amount at the top and the bottom. And I just marked that with a pencil. And then this is just like when you were in school and you may have covered textbooks with a paper bag. Does anybody remember that? This is just the same thing. So you just fold the top and the bottom in And then you'll go ahead, put your journal back in the center where the crease is, and fold the excess over the cover and give it a crease. Do the same thing on the back. And that is literally all there is to it. Then I just glued the Count Your Blessings image down to the matted paper. And for that I used my, here it is, my little glue runner. I love this guy. So just turn that over, put some glue on the back. Stick it in the center of the little mat, which I cut with just some craft pinking shears, if you have those, or you can do any kind of, you can just do a straight border also if you like, if you don't have those little craft edge cutters. And then just some glue on this one, center it up, and there is your cover. And then I used a hole punch to make a little hole for the ribbon. All right, so here is my hole punch, and I'm just going to punch a little hole on the front and match up with the back and punch a hole there. And then I'm going to take some ribbon, and I didn't have any off-white ribbon for this. I had just this white ribbon, so I tea dyed it. Just stick it in some tea, take it out, dry it off, and then in this case I scrunched it up and clipped it with a paper clip, a laundry clip. What do you call these? A laundry clip, right? A laundry clip overnight, so it gives it a little bit of a wrinkled look. And you need about 2 12-inch pieces of ribbon. And then just fold it in half, poke it through the hole, and pull the tails through, and do the same on the back side. Super easy. I think I'll be making all of my journals with these little school book covers from now on. I'm not really a big fan of making the pages. I more enjoy decorating them. So for me, this is just a perfect way to get one done quickly. And then you can just tie it in a bow, and that's it. And then on the inside, you can, of course, cover it with all kinds of images from the sites. Here is a collage page that I printed out from the premium membership site, and I cut it, and I'm going to add a little pocket right here, and then I'm going to add a tag that I can slip inside, and I'll probably fussy cut out the owl and some of these other images and add them to the pages. And that's really the fun part, when you can personalize it with the things that that mean something to you and that you love. So I hope you like this idea, guys. Super easy. Give it a try. Give the video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to get a notification whenever we post a new video. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next week. Happy Thanksgiving to all of our friends who are celebrating next week, and take care. Bye-bye.